cha Igbo kwenu, rienu, ṅụọnụ, kachanụ. You're welcome to today's class. In our previous class, we talked about the consonants of Igbo language. The consonants of Igbo language. And I told you that we have 28 consonants and they were categorized into the Mbochi Umempi and Mbochi Umenge. So please kindly go back to the video to understand what we mean by the consonant, to see those letters the Igbos call their consonant sounds. So today we are going to look into an interesting topic, a very interesting topic, which is what? Can you guess? The topic is Odaume. Odaume Igbo. Odaume Igbo. Can you guess what Odaume means? From our previous lesson, I know you will be able to guess what Odaume could mean. Odaume simply means the vowels of Igbo language. The vowels of Igbo language. What are vowel sounds? Vowels are those letters or alphabets that there is no obstruction of air at the vocal crown. Remember, I told you that the consonants, when you produce them, there is an obstruction of air. But vowels, when you produce them, they move freely. There is nothing like an obstruction of air when you're producing them. So the Igbos have their own vowel sounds. We have 8 vowels. 8 simply means asato. Asato. 8 means asato. Asato. The vowels of Igbo language are grouped into the light and the heavy vowels. Just like in English, we have the light and the heavy vowels too. In Igbo, we have our own light and heavy vowels. So, the Igbos divided these vowels into 2 groups. Remember, I said that we have 8 vowels. They now divided into 2. That is 4 light vowels and 4 heavy vowels. What do we call our light vowels? We call our light vowels Odaume Mfe. Odaume Mfe. Once you hear Mfe in Igbo language, just know that we're talking about light. Remember, I said that Igbo language is very, very simple. You can use one knowledge and transfer it to another one to get exactly what you want to get. So, you can say in Igbo, Akwụkwọ ade Mfe, this paper is light. Have you seen where that Mfe comes in another sentence? You can use it to remember this Odaume Mfe na Odaume Aro, the light and the heavy vowels. The Igbo light vowels are 4 in number, while the heavy vowels are 4 in number. The heavy vowels are called Odaume Aro. Odaume Aro. So, when you hear Okuta de Aro, this stone is heavy. Okute means stone. Is means the. Then Aro means heavy. So those vowels that are heavy, when we are producing them, we call them heavy vowels. Those that we call them Odaume Aro. Those ones that are light, when you produce them, we call them Odaume Mfe. Very simple. So we'll go to the board now for us to see those vowels of Igbo language. Let's go there. These are the vowels of Igbo language. They are 8. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato. They are 8. And they are divided into 2. The light and the heavy. Remember, I said Odaume Mfe means light vowels. Odaume Aro means heavy vowels. When you look at this, it's very, very easy to learn because the groups just divided themselves. Those ones with diacritic marks under them with A are the ones under Odaume Mfe. Those ones without diacritic marks and E are the ones under Odaume Aro. These diacritic marks are very, very important though. Remember, they brought about the difference between these two sounds. This is O, this is U, this is O, this is O, this is A, this is E, and this is A, this is E. Do you understand? So these diacritic marks are not just for decoration or beautification. They brought about the difference between this and this, and that also brought about their difference in pronunciation. They will give you different sounds. So these are the light vowels. Let's pronounce a, e, or o, mfe. You can say a, e, or o, mfe. That is, they are under mfe, mbochume, odaume, mfe. E, I, o, u, e, I, o, u, ara. Very simple. E, I, o, u. When you produce them, you even notice that you feel heavy while producing them. But once you're saying a, e, o, very light in production. Do you understand? So these are the divisions of the Odaume Igbo. Remember, I told you that Odaume are those letters that when you produce them, there is free movement of air, no obstruction of air at the vocal tract. And I told you that they are divided into two, the light and the heavy vowels. Odaume mfe, which is what? Odaume mfe is what? Light vowels, while Odaume aro are heavy vowels. And I showed you the letters that are the light vowels and the ones that are the heavy vowels. I hope you learned something. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. I will attend to that. Please like my video, share, and also comment. See you in our subsequent classes.